so today I'm obviously going to be doing this lovely makeup look here. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure this is a Halloween look. No, just kidding. So obviously this is my Beetlejuice kind of glam, Beetlejuicy kind of look. This wig is all sorts of fun. So this is the look that I did. This is my not scary Beetlejuice kind of cute look. Probably need a better wig if I'm actually going to wear this for Halloween. This wig was $4 at the dollar store, and I figured it was kind of a good inspiration, so I got it. So this is the look that I will be doing. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of all of my Halloween videos coming out. I have a few more planned. Hair was $4.00 at the Dollarama, and then the makeup obviously I had. The shirt is from Value Village, and I picked it up for, I think it was $5. This wig is really not the best, so I do recommend getting a wig from a better place than the dollar store that I went to. It was like my inspiration though for this look, so it was kind of fun. And then the clips, which came in a pack of 2 together, and they're 99 cents on eBay last year, so you probably saw them in one of my last year videos. Anyway, so that is, if you guys want to see this really cheap Halloween costume, just keep watching.